Soha channel. Welcome to Soha channel.
It's my sister's recipe. I'm just implementing. BJP people want to get the jam, they can get it too.
Then throw it at us. जिद करता है, मैं भी जिद करती हूँ, तो आप समझ लो।
How much do you have to, how much, like half an inch?
They have to be absolutely ripe, Rahul.
Mom, why do you have to cut it anyway? Why can't you just pluck it?
Actually, this is Priyanka's recipe, just by the way.
Now we'll just quickly wash it and peel it. Come, Mom. महेश, इसको अलग क्यों करना पड़ता है?
Because with this he makes the julienne.
उसको अलग पकाना पड़ता है।
उसके लच्छे उससे बनते हैं।
लच्छे इससे बनेंगे।
इससे।
हाँ, इससे बनेंगे।
It's my sister's recipe. So this is not my recipe, it's my sister's recipe. She found the recipe and then she's improved it and tweaked it. I'm just implementing. This is my mother's favorite jam, that's a fact. BJP people want to get the jam, they can get it too. What do you say, Mom?
Then throw it at us.
That's good, then we can pick it up again. So now what's the plan? This has to boil now.
No, 25 minutes at least.
It will take. जब ये खोल जाएगा फिर इसमें ये राइट और ये जाएगा फिर ये 25 मिनट उबलेगा इतना मुश्किल नहीं है ये
जिद करता है, मैं भी जिद करती हूँ, तो आप समझ लो, दोनों जिद करते हैं। He is very affectionate, very caring, and especially when I'm not well, he takes both actually, Rahul and Priyanka. But since Rahul is here,
the best cook in the house is her mother, was her mother. Then she learned a whole bunch of things from our Kashmiri relatives.
from Dadi's Kashmiri
Kashmiri
relative.
relatives.
You see, when an Indian person goes abroad, I'm not talking of today because there are Indian restaurants everywhere, you cannot get adjusted to the food, say in the UK or elsewhere. And similarly, when I came here, it took me time to get adjusted to the Indian flavor, especially the chilies.
And Pudina also you can like.
Pudina.
You said you didn't like Pudina.
No, I didn't like hara dhania.
Hara dhania, sorry. But now you like it a lot. She also didn't like achar, but now she likes achar a lot.
Well, obviously
So
took.
she's changed.
It took me a little, but then I really love. And if I go abroad, the first thing I have to have when I come back is har ki dal or chawal.
गलना नहीं।
Gulna hai.
That's the cooking basic.
ये झाग उतारना है इसका। सारा नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा। When I was studying in England and when I was working in England, that's when I started to learn this stuff. I had no choice. I had to figure it out myself. So that's when I learned. So I know a couple of things. If I need, then I can cook it. A huge amount of political fight has been about food. Gandhiji had a particular vision about food, vegetarian, goat's milk, and he had a set of nutritional ideas. I also have a set of nutritional ideas, slightly different than Gandhiji's.
Soha channel. Thank you for watching Soha channel. Please subscribe our channel and share and like our channel. దయచేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.